girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing a cleanup out of my makeup bag today because this thing is like overflowing. I feel like I carry such a massive makeup bag now. I got this actually from my coworker and I just think it's really cute. It's huge and it holds so much stuff. It's like a bottomless pit, but as you guys can see, it's like filled to the brim, and I think it's ridiculous that I'm carrying this around every single day because it is so damn heavy. And you know, when I go for my walks during my break and stuff like that, I have this in my bag and it like weighs it down so much. And I feel like half of this is lip products because if I'm wearing a certain type of lip product, I will throw it in there for touch-ups and just leave it in there. So it'll accumulate over time, of course. So I'll, you know, if the next day I wear a different lip product, I'll throw it in there. So I'm pretty sure that's probably why this bag is so full. But yeah, I'm gonna clean it out for you guys today and I'm gonna show you guys what I carry around with me on a daily basis. Before I get started with this video, if you're not already subscribed, I would love it if you join my fam here on YouTube and subscribe. I upload every Sunday and Wednesday. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. By the way, you guys, I'm like feeling this like 90s vibe today. I should have probably did a brown lipstick and it would be very 90s. I just did like a pop of color for today because it is snowing outside. It's middle of April. It's snowing and I just want to feel like I just want to wear spring colors and have it be spring already. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. This makeup bag is actually from Lancome, I believe. I think it's from Lancome. It has that rose zipper pull as well. This is just a really cute makeup bag. It's very neat. First thing I pull out is my powder. So this is the Skin 79 Sun Protect Beblish Pack. This powder is like almost donezo. I barely touch this up. I only touch it up sometimes. I only really have this for emergencies because I barely touch up my makeup anyways. Like I will blot my face and stuff like that, but as for powder, I really don't bother touching up. It might be good after blotting to add powder, but I just don't like that cakey feeling on my skin. So, you know, if something, like if I'm out for a very long time, then this is definitely like my go-to powder. Also has my mirror in it, so I'm keeping that in my makeup bag, but I'm putting it to the side for now. I have this Tic Tac container with bobby pins inside. I actually bought something from Sally's, I feel like not that long ago, and it's like half this size, so I'm probably gonna take that out. I like to pin up, you guys see like this part of my hair, like my bangs, I like to pin it to the side when I'm at work just because I don't like having hair in my face when I'm working. Like it's just very distracting and very uncomfortable, so I need bobby pins in my life. I have my brow gel, which I do my brows on the go. I don't ever do it at home because I feel like my brows take forever, so I usually like do them on my way to work or something like that. So I have my brow gel here. Okay, so the next thing that's in here is my brow powder and it's from MAC, and this obviously can keep it in here because I'm not gonna have eyebrows if I don't have this powder, so I use that darker color a lot. Obviously I don't even use that one, but regardless, this is staying in my makeup bag. Next thing I have are these mints, and I got these at the Swiss store and they are like violet flavored mints. They're actually really good. They're made from anise, so if you don't like the flavor of anise, you probably won't like these, but I really like them, so those are staying. I also have these oil blotting sheets from Walmart and they just literally look like that, and these are obviously staying in there because my skin is super oily and I need those like every single day of my life. I have this blush in here. This is Hang Loose from MAC and it is half blush, half highlighter, so it's perfect because this is like the perfect thing for your purse because it has both and it's pretty compact, right? Whenever I forget to do my blush or my highlighter, or if I'm in a rush, this is a lifesaver. The next thing I have here is my mascara, and it's the It Superhero Mascara. And this is just a sample and it's what I'm currently wearing today. So it is a pretty good mascara and it's really nice for your makeup bag because it is small and compact as well. So the top part of my makeup bag is mostly my essential products that I use every single day, but when I dive further into this thing, it's all gonna be like lip products that have been in here for ages. So the next thing I have here is my brow brush, and it's just an angle brush on one side or a spoolie on one side and an angle brush on the other side. And this thing, I've had this forever, and this is from Costco, from when they used to have brush sets. The next thing I have here is my baby lips. I only ever carry one chapstick with me, and I don't know why, because I feel like if I ever was to lose this, or if I run out of it, which is probably going to be soon because that's all I have left, and then I'm going to be screwed. So I should really carry more than one chapstick with me. So I have a hairbrush that I never use. This is a Wannabe Anasui hairbrush. This is not by Anasui. This is one from eBay, and it's really like flimsy, but it does the job. I don't really use this very often, even though I should, because my hair gets super tangly throughout the day. So that is that. I'm just gonna keep that in there. I have these, which I obviously need in my life. If I don't have these in my makeup bag, I'll forget to take them like every single day of my life. So those are clearly staying. I have, okay, now this is the start of my lip products, I think. Yeah, okay. So I have the Lime Crime Plushies lip product here. I'm probably not going to keep this in my makeup bag because I don't use it as much. It's not like an everyday lip product for me, and it's like opened. What the heck? So I'm gonna put the lip products that I'm not keeping in my makeup bag behind me there because it's literally so much. I have a brush in here. This is from Kirkland from Costco as well, and I just have it in my Sephora brush holder. This thing is literally so ratchet. It's just covered in foundation and powder, and I don't even know what. I only ever carry one brush with me, and that's staying. I have a Kylie liquid lipstick in Candy K, and this is literally like my go-to lipstick. If I don't know what to wear, it's gonna be Candy K from Kylie, so this is staying. I have Date Night Dazzle Glass from MAC. This is literally my favorite lip gloss of all time, and it really goes good with a lot of like purple lip products and a lot of like plum tones, but I'm not gonna keep this in my makeup bag because I don't use it on an everyday basis. It's going behind me. I have a MAC lip gloss in Hush Hush Rose, and it's a really nice rose tone color, but again, it's not something I'm going to be wearing every day. I have a concealer in here. I've literally had this concealer in my makeup bag for years and years and years, and I have it for like beauty emergencies. You know, if I somehow grow a pimple over the course of a day or something like that and I want to cover it up, I have this concealer with me, but I barely ever use it, and it's the Laura Geller The Real Deal Serious Coverage Concealer in Light, and it's also too light for me. So yeah, it's super tiny though, it's super compact, and I just don't know if this is actually still good because I've had it for so long, but it's staying. I have a lip gloss in here from Buxom, and this is White Russian, and it's one of their full-on lip creams, and this is just, you know, like a go-to light milky pink gloss that doesn't have a lot of coverage or anything like that. So this is just going to be staying because it goes with like everything. I have Mentos in here. These are actually my favorite type of Mentos. I really like having mints and gum and candy with me at all times, just because, you know, you never know what you're gonna go out and eat, and you're gonna need some sort of like mint in your life. So I have them because a lot of people will ask me for gum or mints or something like that, so I always have them with me, and this is just the fruit one. I also have a Lime Crime Velveteen in the color Cupid, and it's a really cute like pink color, but again, I don't use it every day. Throw that in my get rid of pile. I have a lipstick in here. This is literally one of my favorite lipsticks of all time, and this is what I wear with my Date Night Dazzle Glass all the time. So the packaging is really, really pretty, and it is a purple / plum type lipstick, but again, I don't use this every day, so I'm gonna try to put it in that pile. The next lip product I have in here is the Coco K Gloss, and I don't know why this is in here again. I barely wear it, but it's a really, really pretty color. I think I was wearing one of the Coco K lipstick one day, and I just threw this in there. I don't even think I wore it because I don't really wear gloss very often. I also have Kristen liquid lipstick from Kylie Cosmetics, and this is just a really nice wearable like strawberry red color, and I think I should keep it in here because the two that I have kept so far are both nudes, so this is kind of a pop of color, and yeah, so we'll keep that. I also have Nymphette by MAC lip gloss, and this is literally like my go-to again. It's very similar to the Buxom one, but I feel like this is a little bit darker and a little bit more shiny and more gold tone, I would say, so I'm gonna actually keep that as well. I have more Mentos. I really don't think 2 things of Mentos are completely necessary, but I don't know. I have a bunch of like hair accessories, so like these little guys that are plastic. I love these because they just are so nice. They hold your hair perfectly fine, and they're compact, they're small, and yeah, so love those. I have an orange one, I don't know why. I have just one of these like little claw clips. I feel like I should have a separate like little bag or something for these because they kind of just go everywhere. So I have another lipstick in the color Heart to Heart, and this is by MAC, and I think I was wearing this with my either the Buxom one or the rose toned lip gloss that I showed you guys earlier. I think this is going to be a nice spring color, but like with the weather being so crappy right now, I don't really wear a lot of pinks these days, so I'm going to throw that in my other pile there. I have a lip liner in the color Just Wonderful, and it's from MAC. Just a neutral pink. I'm going to add it to that pile. I have more hair ties. I have a nail filer, which is completely necessary to have in your makeup bag. I feel like my nail will like randomly break often throughout the day because I don't do fake nails. I always have like just normal nail polish on my nails, so my nails can get really brittle and get caught on something, and you know, so I really think that nail filers are necessary. And I've saved a few people's lives with this because other people's nails have broken and they're like, do you have a nail filer? I'm like, yes, I do. So I have a glass one just from eBay. I didn't even pay that much for this. They have them at Sephora too, but they're like $15. I have this mascara, which I really didn't like the first time I tried it. So I don't know if I'm gonna continue to attempt to wear this, but I really did not like it. It's by Clinique, and it's just one of their like double-sided. I also have this Huda Beauty liquid matte lipstick in the color Muse, and this is just one of the mini ones. This is one of my go-to everyday colors that I always wear, so I'm gonna keep it. I have a MAC lipstick, and this is a Sheen Supreme lipstick in Bare Again, and this is like a nude color. I've had this thing forever. Still smells like vanilla, but it's almost done, and I feel like I should finish it really soon, but I like barely wear it. I barely reach for traditional lip shades. I always reach for like the liquid lipsticks, so I'm gonna keep this in here just to finish it. I have another lipstick by MAC in the color Mare, and this is one of my everyday lipsticks as well. If I do a traditional lipstick, it's just a really nice like pinky pink. Did I just say pinky pink? It's just a really nice rose tone pink color. Getting to the bottom of this really quickly. So I have a Viva La Juicy perfume here, just one of those trial size perfumes, and I really like keeping these in my makeup bags because I don't know, you never know when you're gonna need perfume, right? So it's just really small, really compact, and you can only use this thing like a few times before it runs out, and then you can replace it with another one. So that's really what I do with my perfume samples. I tend to get a lot of them from Sephora, and I just randomly throw them in my makeup bag, and once one's done I pick another one. So that is staying, and this is what's left. There's only like a few more things. So I have my Coco K lip liner with my Coco K liquid lipstick. This is, I feel like all my liquid lipsticks that I carry around with me for everyday use look exactly the same. They're all like nudie pink colors. Like, is this completely necessary? But then they're all different tones of pink. So I'm gonna keep this with me. Why not? So I have a Stila eyeliner in Topaz, and this is just a new lip liner eyeliner. I haven't used this in a long time, but this is in here because I always thought that if I forget to put eyeliner on, I'll use this or something like, I don't know. I'm just gonna keep that in there. So as for lip liners, I do have Kristen. I kept Kristen in there. I have Candy K, the Huda Beauty Muse one, and Posy K. I have my mom's birthday present in here because I got it in the mail and I was trying to hide it from her, so I just threw it into my makeup bag. It is a really pretty, just like crystal bracelet. I forget what kind of crystals are in here, but they're not Swarovski. They're the other one. That is pretty much it. That's all that's in my makeup bag. Got rid of all these lip products. I'm gonna put them away now and probably accumulate a bunch more throughout the weeks again, and I'm gonna have to do this all over again. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all I carry around in my makeup bag with me. That's all. There's so much. Hope you guys do enjoy this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye everyone.
This ain't no time for locking your phone and not coming home and starting some shit when I'm in the zone. This is why I've been saying no new friends, no.